bacon wrapped goodness. This is bacon wrapped sitaw and baguio beans. Sitaw is green beans. Oh, this is so good. Yes, you complement it with tortang talong, which is eggplant omelette. Oh yeah, this is awesome dinner. Yep. So okay, let's start. Here, the baguio beans and sitaw. We're gonna blanch it through boiling water just for a minute, and then we're gonna wrap it. And here, okay, we're gonna make sure everything is clean. After chopping it, we're gonna blanch it. And here, Ate Vicky is doing the wrapping now. As you can see, the color of the sitaw and the baguio beans is a bit different because we already blanched it with boiling water. Just blanch it for like a minute, and that's okay. That's already good because it will still be cooked through the bacon. So this is gonna be so good. Yes. Okay, we use a toothpick, a wooden toothpick, just to clip it together so it doesn't unwrap, unfoil or unwrap accidentally. Of course, there's no way you accidentally eat it. So when you cut it, you make sure everything is there. It's gonna be good. Yeah, look at this. Now you just season it with salt and pepper. That's okay. You can actually add some oregano, thyme. It's up to you. But salt and pepper, this already makes it so good, because the bacon flavor is gonna be so awesome. Yes. Here you go. And now TV is still preparing the cast iron pan. We're gonna use a cast iron. You can use a non-stick pan, and we just brush a bit of olive oil. That's okay. You don't need a lot of oil because the bacon will, release some oil, so it'll be okay. So we're using a cast iron pan, so we're gonna brush it with a bit of olive oil. And here, just for fun, I sprinkled a bit of kimchi powder. There, you can season it however you like, but at least salt and pepper. And of course, like I said, even if it's just salt and pepper, it's already gonna be so good. Yes, this is gonna be awesome, and it's really quick to do this, so it's gonna be good for like a short gathering or birthdays. This is gonna be a good pika pika or like a side dish. It's gonna be excellent. Yes, look at that. It looks so good, right? Yep. Okay, now Ativik is ready. Let's go to the kitchen. Here, she's cooking the eggplant omelette. Here, the cast iron pan or the cast iron plate. We're gonna change the angle for now. Let's try. I'm trying this so you guys can see it better, a little closer. So it's gonna be okay. Let's heat up, and once you see it a bit smoking a bit, it's ready. Yep. I'll put this there. We arrange it because it's gonna be me and my brother, so we're gonna have four each. Four for me and four for him. So it's gonna be good. So we're gonna arrange it like this. I think Vicky's arranging it like in a batch of four on this side and another four on the other side. It's gonna be perfect. Look. Oh, sizzle. Sounds so good, right? Oh, I wish you guys could smell the bacon. It's starting to give off a good smell of good smoke. It's gonna be so good. Yes, look at that. Yep. Okay, now let me take the phone back to the original position here. Yes, so as we watch it get cooked and then like now it's smoking. We turn it. Oh, it smells so good. My goodness. Wish you guys can smell this. Oh, it's perfect. Yeah, I think he said she should turn it the other way around so that she doesn't accidentally unwrap it. Yes. This is because asparagus is not really hard to get, but sometimes it's not available at our local groceries. But sitaw, which is green beans, and baggy beans, is everywhere in the market, groceries. It's easy to get it. So this wrapped version of sitaw and baggy beans is like really easy for everyone. Oh yeah, the smell is so good, and it's quite healthy. You get one strip of bacon and a bunch of greens. This is good. Oh yes, now it's ready. I see. So one of them is already cooked. I think you can put it in there. We don't want it overcooked. So it's gonna be good. As you can see, the baggy beans and the sita is already blanched. So this is good as is. So that's gonna get even more flavors with the bacon oil. Oh yeah. Here it is, all done. Oh, look at that. Four for my brother and four for me. Oh, this is perfect. Yeah, look at that. Let's go to the dining table for better lighting. Here it is. Oh, look at that. Yes, and of course you can click here for the other good stuff. But man, now this is gonna be a good dinner for me and my brother. You guys gotta try the barbecue sauce there. You guys try this because it's gonna be fun. Enjoy it. Yes, and thanks for watching. Subscribe. This way you can check out all the other good stuff here. Alright?